In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix cannot download shows. Now, if you're facing this issue within the application of Netflix, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have enough space on your device so that the shows can be downloaded. If that is the case, then you'll need to free up your local storage, and only then you should be able to download new shows. Also, alongside that, you also need to ensure that you disable any sort of VPNs or proxies that you might be connected to. But however, if this is not the case with you, then you might also have seen an option which says downloads on too many devices. This simply means that you have hit the tier maximum physical devices that is allotted for the offline files. So in this situation, what you need to do is just remove a particular device within the settings of your account. So make sure you do that as well. But however, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can simply do is reinstall the application of Netflix onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.